on Jamaica, Ocho Rios, Jamaica. On our way to the Dunn's River Falls. Is this the same group? It was a Labadee?
Probably. They probably go all over the ship. Yesterday they went here today.
No. More pictures. Yeah, I want one each, 8 by 10, okay?
Side by side, lady.
Hey, guys, when we come back, I'd like to get a group shot with the boat in the background. Yeah.
They know. Yeah.
Driver is Jono and your bus number is 67. Yeah, man. Don't forget your bus number, 67. All right. You notice that we drive on the left side, which they say is the crazy side, but it's no problem. Before I go on any further, I would like to ask this question. She didn't even notice. Okay. Have we got any backseat drivers on board? Okay, this morning we're going on an island tour, and it consists of a ride through the capital town of St. Anne, which is St. Anne's Bay. From there we take you to the Dunn's River Falls. From the falls you go shopping. That pair, the James Bond pair. Coming up on your right, you'll see the Ocho Rios Fort, and those 4 cannons that you're looking at over there, they were used in the battle between the English and the Spanish in the 16th century. You're now traveling in a westerly direction, and this is where you travel to Montego Bay, and Montego Bay is 67 miles from Ocho Rios. It will take you approximately an hour and a half to get there. all-inclusive hotel. An all-inclusive hotels there in Jamaica, they have one main feature in common. They all have a beach set aside for nude bathing. Pardon me? And there's a statue of Marcus Messiah Garvey, one of our national heroes. Yes, he was born also in this town of St. Anne's Bay. Yeah, we have one here too. We'll be passing it in a short while. Coming up on your right, you'll see the St. Anne's Bay post office over there. You have a National Commercial Bank to your left, and over on your right you have the police station, which was built in 1896. They're now in the town of St. Anne's Bay. Most of the business places open at 9 o'clock. Coming up on your right, you have the clock tower, and that tower, it signifies the center of St. Anne's Bay. Yes, and to your right, that's the farmers market that takes you on there. Our popular market days are on Fridays and Saturdays. So this is the town of St. Anne's Bay that you're now in. You have a Methodist church over there Baptist church over there to your left. The 12th, I think that's Friday, holiday. You have the courthouse right here to your right. And that was built in 1868. Coming up on your left here, you have the Shell gas station. And our gasoline cost there in Jamaica, in your money, it will cost you about $2 per gallon. And in our money, it costs us about $14.90 per liter. And it's about 30 Jamaican named after Christopher Columbus.
My sister
That's a
Emma.
private school,
And her
or
husband
like
Jason.
your kindergarten school back home. And that school runs by the Anglican Church, or the Catholic Church. For example, they have Roman Catholic, Anglican, and the Seventh-day Adventists. Now the junior secondary, they stay there from their 12 until 17. After being graduated, then you know they're ready for the working world. So from there, if their parent can afford it, they'll send them back to colleges. And here in Jamaica, they have like nurses colleges, teachers colleges, business colleges, and community colleges. They also have 2 universities there in Jamaica, and they are located in Kingston.
You know what they're doing here now? They call that crawling. There's a huge net out there. They have sinkers at the bottom, and you have the floaters at the top. So you throw that huge net around, and you have these guys that go on here, out there, you have a guy keeps throwing the net, you call that crawling. And you notice that down there in the canoe? He's circling the net to make sure that they're ready here for another. Hopefully. Sometimes they catch pure sea bass. That's all they want to catch. Yellowtail snappers, crabs, you don't get fish like barracuda.
welcome and congratulations. Soaking wet. No wet, no fun. Dry climbers, you will see the falls, but you will not get wet. All right? Okay, let me ask, have we got any wet climbers on board?
Yeah.
Come on.
Ramon, okay. For the wet climbers, up there you have a guide who will take you for your tour. The only thing that you need on that falls is your cameras. You just take them and your guide will assist you with them.
Dunsbury Falls. Right here. Mario.
Okay. My group. Beverly's group over here. Okay, on your way back from the falls, that's your exit over there. And you just tell them you are high don't need it, alright? And you keep moving until you get to the entrance there. And the bus is on the right. Okay? You can barter with them if you go through there. They give you good bargain. Don't take the first one.
Oh, later on the way back, he doesn't want you to take pictures now.
Actually, that was at that furry farm. Where?
See right there at the eye.
Oh.
As soon as you get up here, it's right here, right? Let's go here.
That's what we all have our cameras for. Here we are in the falls. of you right now.
You will keep seeing me in your life. I'm not gonna run away. I'll be here. Step back, step back. Step down, watch your step. Work me a work, hard work. Take a picture of me. Huh? Holy David!
Every night.
It amazes me no. Oh, it's recording? It's recording. It's recording. You just got me in trouble.
You got your belly button. It was like this.
Shut up. Now I gotta put it back down.
Put it down.
Where am I gonna put it?
I get you just stand here a minute?
Picture. Man, the last time I've seen one of those.
Hey, this man right here, your buddy.
Say Irie.
Are you guys
Yeah, we come to the top.
Okay. Well, that was our Dunn's Fall. That was our Dunn's Fall trip. Those guys, I hope, did a pretty good job of videotaping and taking photographs.
We didn't take pictures.
We're now about ready to go through the infamous souvenir trinket area. We have to go through to go to the bus.
Do you want to go get the Dunes Falls picture or no?
I hear 5 after 11.
What time did we get here? So, well, let's.
Well, first off, we gotta go to the bus to get money. Oh, you come out. Well, I gotta get out of these. I'm gonna get out of all this. I'm gonna get changed.
Don't worry about change. You get the best deal when you wet. Respect.
He's a cool guy.
Respect.
Okay.
See me here.
Okay.
First time here?
No, I've been here before. I've been here before.
This is you? Yeah. This is the lady. See, they say Jamaica.
Okay.
Good for you. Just listen. You're my friend. This is how we live in Jamaica. We respect you and you respect us, okay? This one is for you. Coffee beans. Welcome to Jamaica. This one is for the lady.
Okay.
What they're gonna do, I'm gonna put your name on this one. Put 1997. Put the lady name on that one.
Okay.
Good price. You know how much?
No, how much?
We sell one of them like for $30, but we bargain. We don't stick on one price. How much would you give me for both of them? Say something to me, I take anything. This is my tool I use and make them. These are mahogany. So we got them there. This is how we live in Jamaica.
I hear you.
But I'm broke. How much would you give me?
Well, actually, I'm gonna talk to the wife. I don't need them.
It's a beat.
I don't need beads.
Don't do me that, Papa, man. Don't say that, man. Get out. I take 30 for both of them. Okay?
I don't think so.
Okay?
No. Wait, Millie, I need help here.
Put it out, okay? For both of them.
Millie, come here.
One moment. No problem, man.
Is there anything
This is for you.
you want anything?
Welcome to Jamaica.
Thank
This is for you. This is your Christmas gift. We respect you. This is how we
What
do
is
it in
that?
Jamaica.
I don't know. It's hand carved
And I'm gonna put
lady.
your name on this one for 1997. Put his name on that one for
What are we
1997.
gonna do with them
Put
after?
them on the bookshelf on the table. These are
they're solid
souvenirs.
wood.
These are wooden. See, we are the carver. This is my car.
It's up to you, David. I don't. I mean, I'm not. You know.
I'll make it a deal.
Let me look around.
Come on, David. Don't do me that.
Well, I just got off this.
We were waterlogged.
Yeah. Here. I don't
I'm
want
not
to.
sure. I'll let you.
Let me walk around.
Don't like me.
No.
He's saying. Oh. Beautiful fish, David.
Yeah. Now.
Oh no.
What's,
The fish is small one.
how much are these?
Which one? You like this one?
Yeah. Something like that.
35.
How about this one?
That one more like $60.
Oh man.
Oh, how would we get that home?
These are duty free.
I would think so. Yeah.
Big Mac.
Okay. Now.
All right.
Can you give him 5?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Now, I got... Thanks, guys. Excellent job. Excellent job. Now, you guys... I don't have any ones. Now, you guys have any one? Can you give her 2 ones?
I have no more.
Where did Millie go? She organized all this. $2.
I need.
I told you that.
Well, I told you I don't have $2. Do you have? Okay, you got change? I can need lots of change.
What the heck is that?
I bought a picture. That's it.
Well, I thought you didn't have any money.
I know you have money.
Well, who's getting this one?
Oh, you got one? Fine.
How much time we have, Beverly?
How much time?
Yeah.
It's time to go.
All right. I gotta get up and change.
You want to change? Well, you go put your stuff down and go ahead and
Okay. She's trying to find $2 more.
Change from you.
Now, who did you meet this man?
On the way out.
Did you put your name on this?
I told you to put a name on it.
I didn't remember.
I want you to put your name on it.
Can you use that guy's knife and do that? I'm gonna go change. I gotta go.
But we need.
Bye.
What did?
The girl is your sister, but your mama don't know. Whoa, misery, shame and scandal in the family. Whoa, misery, shame and scandal in the family. The weeks went by, the summer came on. Soon the best cook on the island they found. So we went to his papa. Name is dead. His papa shook his head, and to him he did state, son, you can marry the girl.
After we had stopped in and look at the Ocho Rios. Taj Mahal Marketplace. Hey Dean, don't spend all your money in one spot, okay?
These guys don't want to go to a good spot, man. They only want to stay in this place.
They don't know. They ain't got no money anyway.
Yeah, they broke?
Yeah.
Oh, can I get some coffee?
Yeah, I think I might try. Did you find anybody selling just a cup of coffee?
Over here, yes.
Yeah, I don't think they have just cups of coffee. Now we're going to try some of this Blue Mountain coffee.
Hopefully. And I got my earrings.
And stuff goes for like $30 a pound in the States.
Oh. Black sugar. I want sugar.
Sugar and cream Mars too.
Yeah, this coffee that everyone says is so good.
Now you sell this stuff here?
No, we just promote it.
Sell it over there.
Okay. Okay. Now what kind of sugar is this?
That's dark sugar, brown sugar.
Okay.
Everyone needs cream.
You want sugar? Just gonna go ahead in your head.
And if you're noticing, you'll see familiar signs like coming up on your right. You'll see KFC. And door on your left, that's
See, this is a
for
cute area. Woolworths? There's no more Woolworths in the United States.
It's all over here in
Got it
Jamaica.
here, and they don't have it over there.
They moved to Jamaica.
in case you want to get some more crab items. Crabs. Yeah, the National Commercial Bank. And you're now approaching Sony's Plaza. Just across from the store. Yeah. And you're here for another 35 minutes, and then is there extra 5 still on there? You have to be back on for 15 minutes.
You try this now.
I tried it. I tried
You
it.
tried it already?
Yeah,
Okay,
I tried
$12.
it. Although you can give me some more if you want.
What?
I was asking, and how much is this coffee?
Coffee, that's $12.99.
$12.99 a pound.
Well,
Okay,
you make a deal we can't turn down.
36 for both. That, and he's saying $36 for both boxes. Thank you, sir. Oh, I usually don't have it by itself. It's very good.
The other place said it was cologne, not perfume.
I'm glad you noticed. That's a big difference. Okay.
So you want to pay this at 12?
No. But we're gonna take the perfume.
Oh. What about process for you?
$4 a pound, man. I don't know about you. Oh, this is already ground.
Oh, let it go.
Do you have any beans?
Yeah. And that's not a pound.
No. Oh, this was 12 ounces.
Right. See the pound back right there.
Oh, okay.
We just received this stuff yesterday. It's fresh coffee. But if you give me, you're not losing a chance.
Well, wait a minute. She told me over there I should look for bank something.
Mavis Bank.
Mavis Bank.
Oh, but what the problem is that you got Mavis Bank, you got Antole, you got Country and Traders, you got a few more. But the problem is, they're all from one place, but they're backed by different companies. But some people like the name Mavis Bank. That's it just. All from the blue market. Same blue. Same. The seal is this. That's what they call the seal. This stuff there.
Yeah, she did say that. Well, you gonna get that corn?
I'm gonna get the one for me, and I want to get it for you, Mom. It's no care.
And we'll hold off on the coffee. Okay, we'll get that stuff.
Look at this one. See, you got
Yeah, Mavis Bank. Yeah.
It's like Mavis Bank was the first one to distribute the blue market. So, yeah, a lot of people buy from them and then practically work.
Okay. Perfume, the cologne. I think that's gonna be it. I don't think. Do you want to take the
He's not
coffee?
set yet. No, I was looking at the coffee. I was looking at coffee beans.
I just get the alcohol back for $8.50.
What?
850 for half pound.
Oh, but a half pound, that's not a good deal. It's only a half pound.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, but that means a pound. Oh, why? How many? Oh, because the beans, how many? Do you use less?
If you get ground, we use ground for $8. Beans has like $1 more.
Do you use less when you ground this than you would use of that?
Most likely. Yeah, because
It's hard to say.
Okay, just to say I got
Beans.
something. Yeah.
And now, how long are these fresh? You have to-
as long as you can keep it in the fridge when you open, but the beans stay fresher than the ground. That's why.
Yeah, that's true.
The
And just make it every once in a while when you want to make sure that they know that you're making coffee.
I just get it perfect.
Okay.
Now you gotta wait till you sell another one.
Yeah. Hurry up and sew another one, will you? Oh, this is the inside?
Okay, somebody.
One for you? No, the sugar gun. Now this.
Oh, here comes some possible customers. Coconut juice. Ice cold coconut juice. It's a souvenir from souvenir cup from Jamaica.
You want a souvenir cup?
Okay, man. Free?
Give me that one. What you got that for?
No, I'll use this one.
Give me a couple. Young one.
What is he putting liquor in it?
Man, there's a lot in here.
What is that? What do you do?
Coconut cup, souvenir cup. Put in your bag.
What?
All right, thank you, sir. Merry Christmas.
Oh, we got you something.
Now, how long before this coconut goes bad? business you got? Well, that was our coconut experience in Jamaica. Now we're heading back to the bus.
I never pay for my flight
I got it in my pocket. And this concludes our Jamaican stop, and Grand Cayman will be tomorrow, Thursday.
making those
But it's not the same place. And I think it's where they took the I don't know if that's the only way you can do it. See, that one doesn't. Look at that.
That's a good one, man.
We should get one of those. We don't have one for blowing.
Yeah, we do.
Not for blowing.
Oh yeah, you just cut the hole off.
I know, but the
Well,
point
what's
is
the
you
one
never
for?
have. $5. And look, you
$5.
you go and choose one of those big ones.
$5.
Well, go choose the one I want. Watch my stuff. Go choose the one I want.
taste of it. Haven't put his name on it.
I don't know if we can do that.
What's your name, buddy?
Well, my name is Ashley. Everybody call me Shellman.
Shellman.
Right.
Shellman.
Why do they call you that?
Because I dive too many shells.
Okay, go to it, baby cakes. Okay, you know, go ahead and film that. Where?
Sound like an elephant.
How do you do it with the what is that?
Like you're playing.
I can't do it. Oh, we got nothing to follow.
You don't know how to put the whole thing.
Look here, look. Like you're spitting. Come here, come here.
Forget it. No need to go. I'm getting.
Well, this is our afternoon jog, walkathon it's called. 4 laps around the deck equals a mile.
that again. We begin